recording the sewer here at 8420 22nd Avenue Southwest. The date is August 25th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out inside the basement of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City mainline sewer flowing die on 22nd Avenue Southwest. We're going to pull back from that main onto property and take a look at all the work that's been done. 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner immediately back from the main. Back into 4-inch diameter PVC at our excavation. There's a two-way maintenance clean out at this point. Back into 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. Back into a PVC repair near the home at the transition from cast iron to where the liner is. So cast iron, liner right into PVC pipe. Here's the cleanout we made this recording from, ending the video.